Introducing the Chefman Food Mover, the conveyor oven that continuously toasts, bakes, and broils food to perfection. No more burnt food or fingers. Watch it cook on the move through the window and grab it safely from the exit ramp when it's ready. Or speed up the process with the convenient eject button. Built with intelligent touch controls, 6 cooking modes, and 7 shade settings, there's an easy option for any type of meal. Move food from fresh or frozen to finished faster with infrared technology that evenly distributes heat for unbeatably consistent results. Or just set to bake and close the doors to make the softest cinnamon buns. Designed with a removable dishwasher-safe conveyor belt, cleaning the food mover is as easy as cooking with it. The Chefman Food Mover. Meals in motion.
Hi, I'm Laura, and this is the new digital toaster oven by Toshiba. A beautiful stainless steel oven that has an amazing range of features. You can bake, broil, defrost, or reheat, and even create a healthy rotisserie meal. It has a spacious interior large enough for 6 slices of bread and up to a 12-inch pizza. And it has a beautiful blue LCD screen, so it's easy to read. The digital screen allows for more accurate and all-purpose control for the menus, temperature, and time. Let's say we want to prepare a 12-inch pizza. Simply select the pizza function from the digital control panel, adjust the temperature and time, and push start. The powerful convection fan circulates hot air throughout the interior for fast, even cooking. So there's no guessing. You get perfectly prepared meals every time. In just minutes, our pizza is finished. One of my favorite features is the rotisserie function. With the Toshiba digital toaster oven, it provides a healthy way to cook delicious and juicy chicken. And best of all, it eliminates unwanted fat and grease. Simply remove the rack from the oven and place the baking pan at the lowest level of the oven. Then secure the meat with the weight centered on the forks. Insert into the sockets on either side of the oven. Select the rotisserie function and the temperature and time, and push start. When it's complete, you end up with a healthy, delicious prepared dish your whole family can enjoy. The digital toaster oven by Toshiba. Make cooking easier and better.
Today I want to review for you my new air frying miniature oven. So this is a really great item to have for your kitchen for all kinds of cooking needs. So this can toast, dehydrate, and air fry all kinds of stuff. It comes with step-by-step instructions. As you can see, it's a pretty sleek design. It doesn't take up too much space on your counter. It plugs into a wall outlet just like any other. And what's fun is it comes with a little recipe book and of course step-by-step instructions to help you get set up. So it's super simple. I'm going to show you really quickly. It has handy dandy tools that tell you general information like French fries, what kind of temperature you should be looking at, and the amount of time. So it's super easy to use. In terms of accessories, you do have an air frying pan, which is going to be great for frying those items, a wire rack, a standard sliding pan, and another pan to insert. So all of these come with your oven. It does have a light so you can look in. We'll turn it on here. So once I hit my light button, I can see what's cooking. And then of course you can hit, it's got the French fry thing going right now, pizza, bread, cake, chicken, steak, all kinds of things so that you can select your time. I'm going to go ahead and heat it up to 450 and I'm going to show you how to cook some fries. So it beeps when it is complete. As you can see, it just finished up. It says off, which means it is ready to go. I'm going to open this up. It is cooling off. I'm going to grab my take it out because it will be hot. And just look at how crisp those fries are. It's, oh my gosh. They're like they were deep fried. They are going to be super, super nice and crisp. They're super hot. Oh my God. These are so much better than making them in the oven. So, hope you enjoy this. I know I'm going to be using this so much with chicken, fries, toaster, all kinds of great options for cooking in your home.
Air fry your favorite foods and get the crunch without the calories. You can also bake, toast, broil, roast, convection bake, and keep foods warm, all inside your 7-in-1 toaster oven.